So I have a client and the client sent me some pictures of some stuff that she wants to get. Like she wants to help me to get, like she wants me to help her to get those stuff from China, guys. And I want us to source for a supplier together so that you can see that this thing is not rocket science. So everybody can be an importer, so it is not something complicated, guys. So I want to use 1688, guys. So now let's click on 1688. So if you want to create a 1688 account or you don't know 1688, so 1688 is a popular marketplace in China where you can buy goods and sell goods, guys. Like, no, not sell, so you can only sell if you are from China, guys. But where we can buy goods for cheap, guys, you see all these things are factory price, guys. So as you can even see right here, guys, you can see there is factory price and there is industrial price, guys. So you can get them from factory so cheap, guys. You can get them for cheap. So that is what 1688 is. So, and also I want to tell you something. You see the products you are seeing in Nigeria or anywhere you are watching me from, guys, you see, like here in Nigeria, like 95% of what we use in this country are imported. So I don't know the number for your country, guys, but I also want to tell you that a lot of products you use in your country are imported, guys, especially if you are from Africa country. So let's do the product research as I'm saying, guys. So the first thing is I want to do a search by image. You know why? Because I already have the picture of what I want to buy, guys. So just click on this place to do search by image. So like I said, the person sent me pictures of what she wants to get, guys, and it is these three products right here. So let me highlight it, guys. So it is these three products right here. So that is what the person wants to get. So let's just fast from this water bottle, guys. So I think this water bottle is very easy to see, guys, because like it is quite popular. So a lot of people do buy this water bottle. So now let's just look for tons of suppliers selling it. As you can see here, this is the exact picture right here. So this is the exact picture right here. This is also exact picture right here. So now for us to know the supplier to buy from, so I already know the supplier I want to buy from now out of all these supplier, but I will tell you, don't worry, I will tell you. So firstly, what I want to do is that you see all these, like these products right here, all these supplier right here, I will first click on their page. So let's just click on one. Let's just click on this one. Actually, I know the supplier I want to buy from, but wait, I also want to show you some things. So let's just click on one. So the first thing I do advise people to check is the comments, guys. So as you can see, this person have 10 plus comments, so and he has like 94%, like in 94% out of the 10 plus comment the person has are good reviews. And also one thing I also want to show you is that you can see right here also says like 99.2% which are good reviews. So this supplier is actually good. So but I won't advise you to check supplier only on that, guys. So the next thing now is to check the years the supplier has been selling, guys. And if you check right here, it is 4 years. So this supplier has been selling for 4 years on this website, which is very good, because anybody that wants to buy goods from China, I do advise them to patronize supplier that have been on the market for a minimum of 3 years. So that is very good, guys. So another thing I also want to show you is that you see this 4.5, it is very good because out of 5%, so this store has like 4.5 rating, because on 1688 they usually rate store like from 1 to 5. So if your store is around 4.5, even 3.5, that means you are very good, because like your store is very good. And this store has 4.5, which shows you that this store is very good, guys. And that's just it, guys. So the next thing is just click on buy now. And if you click on buy now, as you can see here, so it is different price and see the sizes and everything. So you select the type, like the amount you want to buy right here, guys. So that's just it. So that's how to go about it, guys. So this supplier is very good. You can buy from this supplier, but me, I don't want to buy from this supplier. You know why? Actually, I can buy from this supplier, but me, I just don't want to buy from this supplier. So like I said before, I already know the supplier I want to buy from out of all these supplier. So how did I know? It is very easy. You see this sign right here. So you see this bull sign right here, guys. So that bull sign means this supplier is a manufacturer, guys. Like this supplier is a manufacturer, because anything that has this bull sign shows that this product is being like manufactured, like they made them exactly, guys. So that is why I love buying from manufacturer, because manufacturer like literally erase any headache for you guys. You don't need to be checking up and down if the supplier is like to be checking the store rating, the years of supply and everything. You don't need all that. If you see a certified merchant, you can see here it says certified merchant, which means that this supplier is very good, like it is manufacturer. So how the store do get this manufacturer? So I think it is like after you sold like 10,000 pieces. I don't really know, sha, but it is after you sold a lot, like a large quantity of products, and you also upload like your manufacturing shop and everything. That is when like what's it called, 1688 will now grant you this like this tag, which is manufacturer, guys. So for 1688 to grant a supplier this manufacturer tag, that means the supplier is quite reliable, guys, and it is very trustworthy. You can buy from the store, guys. So as you can see here, so this one has over 400 comments, guys, compared to that one that has like, is it 10 plus? Yes, 10 plus, guys. So that's one thing about manufacturers. Manufacturers have sold a lot of large quantity, and as you can see here, yes, it's 99.3, which means like almost everybody are very happy with the product, guys. So that's just one thing about 1688. And also check check this thing right here. You can see this person just started selling in 2023, guys, which is just 2 years to now, because we are in 2025 now. So this is just 2 years, and within 2 years the supplier have sold a lot of product, guys. And also the store is 4.5 rating, guys, so which is very good, guys, and a lot of things to check, guys, but you don't really need all that. Actually you need it, guys, even though the supplier is a manufacturer, but you also need to check more, you understand? But that's just it, guys. So now that we are done with the like we have find this supplier, guys, let me just like it. So since I like it now, I can go back to this store and understand, check more of the prices and everything, guys. So that's just that about that. So the next thing is this gaming chair. So this gaming chair, I might not even find it directly, guys, because gaming chair is not that easy. You understand this type, because like the regular type is not this, like the regular type is not this, as you can see here, we can even see. So I want to say this gaming chair is not the regular type of gaming chair that like that is common and everything, guys. So this type is not really common, and if you can see right here, guys, we already found one. So we already found one. Let me show you guys, as you can see right here. But before I click on it, let's just keep scrolling down if I can see the one that matched that exactly, guys. So let me check again. I think this one match it exactly. Where is it? Okay, I can't find it. Let me keep looking, guys. Let me keep looking. Huh? Let's just check this one out first. Let's check this store out. Let's check it out. So as you can see here, this store, like this supplier, can also help you to customize, which is very good, guys. Which is very, very good. So supplier that can help you to customize is very good. Okay, I think this is it exactly, guys, but the color is different. So now one thing I also want to say is that it is not every product that you see exactly what you are looking for. There are some things that you won't see, so what you just need to do is just message the supplier. You see this chat button right here, guys, just message the supplier about it, like what you want exactly. Let's just say, as you can see this product, let me just scroll up. As you can see the picture, where is it here? Yes, this one, as you can see the picture, it is not exactly the color of that one, so I can message the supplier about the color, and the supplier will help me out about the color and everything, guys. And also let's check the store and everything. So as you can see here, this is 100%, which means everything is a positive review, and this person has like 7 comments. So one thing I also want to show you is that, wow, this is awesome, guys. Let's just click on the comment, guys. I want to show you something amazing that I see right here, guys. So let's wait a bit. Let's wait, guys. Good. You see this 200 pieces right here? So sorry, you see this 200 right here, it means 200 pieces. So this, just this person bought 200 pieces of the chair. You see this 1,399, guys. So this person bought 1,399 pieces. This person bought 135 pieces. This person bought 1,000 pieces. So which shows that this supplier is quite reliable, guys, like very very reliable. So as you can even see right here, so if you check this thing right here, you see this 10 right here, which shows that this supplier sells minimum of 10 pieces. So this is a very quite reliable store, guys, but I won't actually buy from this store because like the person is not buying minimum of 10. I think this person is buying 1 pieces, but I don't know. But let me just like it, guys, so I'll come back to it. So that's just it, guys. So now let's search for the last product, guys, which is this chair, like I mean chair, this bicycle. So now let's wait, it's loading. Very good, guys. You can even see on one try I already see a supplier I want, guys, which is this supplier right here. Why? Because the supplier is a manufacturer and it's exactly what I was looking for. In fact, this is even the picture, like this is even the picture that she sent to me. So let me just like this store, guys. So that's just how to look for a supplier. As you can see, guys, it's not something complicated, guys. So what you just need to do is just keep your mind to it, know what to look for, and that's all. So if you know what you look for, you find your supplier in like no time. But if you don't know what to look for, that is when it will be taking quite long to find supplier, guys. As you can see here, the supplier have been selling since 2018. So 2018 is a lot of years, guys. So let me show you. You see 2018, so that's a lot of years. So that's just it about it, guys. So if you have any question, just drop it in the comment section, guys, and thank you for watching. See you next time.